Let me show you how to use a sound equalizer on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. For example, let's say you want to boost bass on them, or simply like change how the sound that they produce basically gets delivered to you. It's fairly easy. So first, if you have Samsung phone, if you go on your phone settings, you see they will appear here. If you do not have Samsung phone, make sure to download the Galaxy wearable app. Okay, and opens up. Okay, and then over here in the sound quality and effects, as you see, we have the equalizer option here. So you see, for example, you have different like presets that you can configure. So we have to boost the low ends, for example, dynamic. Personally, I actually like how the dynamic sounds. Also, we have clear. So you see, very decent presets here. Or also you can set your own custom value. For example, if you want to boost bass like crazy, you would probably do something like this. So increase the lows on it. And that's about it. So once you're done, go back and it will be set. Good luck.